There you go. You could take pictures, but I don't think you know how to.
No, I'll just take a video. All right, now you got to sit over there. You got to watch here. Watch the screen. Stand right here.
It's on record.
Huh? It's on record. Oh.
So there's no flash, that's the only thing I ask. Okay. Have I scanned you before?
I've had one of their ultrasound here.
Okay, well, I'm Debbie. Did I not scan you with her?
With Kira, probably.
Yeah.
Okay. Thought you looked familiar. I'm gonna go through and do some measurements. Okay. First of all, the head. It's looking down on top of the head.
Normal size head.
Looks to be.
Is there any way you can tell how much it weighs from the measurements?
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna weigh several ounces, but yeah, the specific, I mean, I can tell how much it weighs today.
Yeah.
This is the base of the
You can
brain,
hold
the
my hand,
cerebellum.
Mommy.
It controls balance.
Hold my hand.
Controls balance.
Mhm. Baby just brought its arm up.
I see that.
And
It's your little brother or sister. We're gonna find out.
I wanna go.
Shh. Be quiet.
Yeah, she's been going on and on. I want a sister. I want a sister.
Gotta be quiet, Kira.
and femur, the thigh bone, the largest bone in the body.
Look at the baby picture up there.
Right here.
Says the baby weighs about 9 ounces. It's
Don't
normal.
be scared, Mommy. I'm right here, Mommy. I'm right here, Mommy.
Here's the upper
Don't
spine
be scared. Don't be scared. I'm right here.
and the lower spine.
Everything all good?
So far. Here's the heart. The heart is divided into 4 chambers.
Stop, Kira. You need to be still.
Come here, come here. Look at the baby. You're going to see the baby here. Come here, hurry up. Hear the heart?
Good and healthy.
Go hold Mommy's hand. So she won't be scared. Hold her hand.
Do you hear the heartbeat?
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
About 159 beats per minute. It's normal, average. That black area that you see there is the baby's stomach. That's fluid in the stomach. That's good. That tells us that the baby is swallowing okay and getting fluid to the stomach.
Okay.
Get your drink out of there.
Oh,
And
right
then
here.
that black area there is the baby's bladder. It's urine in the bladder. That tells us that the kidneys are functioning, so that's good.
I'm right here, Mommy. I go in. I go in. Don't worry, Mommy. I'm right here with that. You're the doctor.
Raises its hand a lot, don't it? See the baby's fingers up there, Kara, on the hand?
Is that the horn?
Yeah.
It's cute. It's the face looking out at us.
See the face, Kara?
Look at the face. It's looking at you.
I see it.
Yeah. See the little eyes and the mouth?
Yeah. I hope it loves me.
Oh, it will.
No.
There's his hand. Look at his hand
waving to
moving.
you.
It's waving to you. See that?
I guess it likes me.
I guess she does, or it does, or
So you
he.
say you do want to know what it is?
Mom,
Yeah.
I'm right here.
It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Why?
It's a boy.
She says, why? You're gonna have a
You're gonna have a little
brother.
brother. Like mommy had a little brother.
I don't want to have one.
There's his feet.
Big healthy boy though.
What would be mean to me?
No, he
No, he
won't.
won't.
Yes, I will.
He'll need you to help him.
You're the big sister. You'll have to take care of him.
No. Oh, boys are mean. Boys don't like me.
There's a 3D shot.
Look at
Oh,
the
that's
3D,
cool.
Kara. Look at the baby.
You can see its ear and its arm and its hand and its shoulders. Isn't that cool?
He's got his fingers up saying hi.
Hi.
Isn't that cool?
And everything's good on him.
To me?
Do you know how many inches long?
They're kind of curled up so you can't get.
Hi, baby. I love
Yeah.
you too, little babies.
So what's this baby brother's name gonna be?
What are you gonna name the baby?
I'm gonna name my sister to another brother.
Sister.
Come here. We have to get our photos ready.